Hi, welcome. I'm Tyler. Or David. Shut the f***. You're ruining this whole video. Ah! My hair looks like That's a little bit better. Poke. We just played Facebook there for a second. The microphone's right here. Let me talk to you about a little bit of something. Wait, let me get up to the microphone. Let me talk to you about something. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. I don't understand why we even celebrate that holiday. Anyway, you know why? I don't know. I'm using my hands a lot. Stupid hands, crooked. Calm the f down. Water. What were we just talking about? Valentine's Day. I don't even celebrate Valentine's Day. Celebrate. You love people unconditionally, right? You're supposed to. That's how this Valentine's Day works. But aren't you supposed to love that person every day unconditionally anyway? So whenever I get chocolate, I'm like, I'm not chocolate. And when other people don't get chocolate for Valentine's Day, it's just like every single other day. Why the f do we have it? Why the do we have it? I'm rambling. I can eat glue again. Oh, wait! I told my friend I would eat a white crayon. Do I peel it off like it's a wrapper? Oh, I'm smoking. Look, I'm smoking. Oh, fancy that. We used to do that in kindergarten. Maybe the doctor won't realize my cavities when I go in the dentist tomorrow. Why'd you eat a crayon? Because somebody dared me to, duh! I'm gonna end it at that. That was just about it. Logo!
Holy Crayola, that tasted weird. Oh yeah, that crayon, she tasted very weird.